Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Rohitech. Let's start the today's topic. Without wasting any time, let's start. Friends, this is an LG Cine Beam which is a portable projector made by LG. It comes with lots of newest technologies. I can't describe these technologies in one single line. Let's explain it in brief. This is an LG's ultimate premium projector offering all technologies which consist in on cinema talkies, in on Android TV and in on Sony's home theater as well. It comes with real 4K Ultra HD resolution, has a 3700 ANSI luminous brightness, second generation 3-channel laser that have accurate and crystal clear rays density which produce stronger laser beams to enhance your theatrical experience. With 0:19 ultra short through ratio, it's quietly fit to any space at your poor home. It comes with brightness optimizer 2, auto brightness and iris mode. But 1 minute, did you see there is a iris mode as well? But this is only bullshit dream which never comes true in on poor educated person's life. I am an live example. With keeping eye on your comfortable comfort in entertainment, LG going to goosebumps you and kick out you from your dreams. Also with WebOS 6.0, Apple AirPlay 2 and HomeKit compatibility, Bluetooth surround ready expanded multi-ports and lots of features in display like immersive vivid, crisp HDR, imagery with vibrant color, ambient lighting and many features like separate light source, all color proportion, vivid brilliance dark or white, which manage lighting and brightness conditions. So no matter when or where you are watching, just enjoy iris mode. Iris mode is given for adjust the dark and light area in projector. It's work like on AMOLED screen. Adaptive contrast ensures all senses are crisp and vivid. WebOS 6.0 for access your favorite content with no compromise. Have a seamless adjustments. Have all types of codec supports, all types of streaming codec supports and subscription supports as well. Let's talk about secondary things in this technology which enhance your experience while watching, which is a sound and audio technology. Let's see which sound quality LG using for this Cinebeam portable projector. The LG Cinebeam have rich and realistic audio with theatrical surround sound for total immersion. It is on Blu-ray player as well, so no compromise in your watching experience. Watch biggest Hollywood blockbuster, create your own room, create your own hall as a cinema hall, enjoy all Marvel stars superheroes movies, all fearable suspenses, anytime and anywhere. Friends, if you really like this video, hit the subscribe button and hit the bell icon. We meet again in another interesting video and another interesting topic like this.